Aw, yeah! Hit it, Polly! Nancy! That's so chewy! Blow that bubble! Take that! Oh, yeah? Whoosh! You got nothing on me! Right! And they're off! No, literally. Look! Stop! Stop blowing bubbles! Goodness gracious! I don't know how you're planning to get down from up there, you two! The price of the biggest bubble! Yowza! Huh? Hey! Oh! Hi! Challenge time! Eggies! Yummy yum! Melon? What now? I know! It's hammer time! Get the perfect spot and… Ah! Sheesh! Chillax, girl! And we're in! Nice one! And now, let's make magic! Juice that melon! That's so cool! I want some! You barely had to do a thing for the perfect juice! You're adding chocolate? You're a genius! Like I was saying, perfect chocolate melon shake! Let's do the presentation, Nancy! Fill that cup! Booyah! Whoa! Can you believe there's so much juice in a melon? That glass is huge! And totally impossible to eat out of! You're out of luck, Nancy! Unless Paul's can help? Oh, yeah! Slowly now. What did I say now? Poor Nancy! Poor Smoothie! Ah! Oopsie, girl! Anyway, how dare you! Oops! Sheesh! Shaky, shaky! What do we have here, my friend? Choco! Roach! Ewy! Ew! Ah! Cool it, Polly Pocket! Let's just try another. Let's see! We are fresh out of luck, that's for darn sure. Great goodness! This can't be it! Will this be our winner? We're about to find out! And… nothing! Yay! Never thought I'd be so relieved. Enjoy, my friend! Nancy? What are you doing? Don't touch the roaches! Ah! Yeah, that's what I thought. Ah! You seeing this? Help! Anything! Polly! Anything but the shoe! Help! Help me! Yowza! Ah! Get him! Oh, poor girls. Got a green thumb, Nance? Oh. Wow! Polly got a Pocky! And they're pink! Yippee! Come on, girl. Dig in! But not before a sweet dippin'. Oh, yeah! Come to Nancy! Right there! Nom nom! I was eating dirt? Yum! Nance! Aha! I think Polly's caught on to our little friend. It wasn't me! I'm eating my food! Get ready to see some action! Nancy, we have something for you. It'll be a surprise! You're welcome in advance. She's ready! So exciting! Nom nom! Nom! Ew! Haha! Loser! We know the drill. Okay, Nance. Have an idea? Time to… plant the seed? Okay, little fella. Grow big and strong! A little seed needs a lot of hot cocoa to grow. There you are, little fella. Drink up. And Nancy will too. Huh? You loco lady? Huh? Nancy, look, now! The plant really did grow big and strong! I can hardly believe it! That's what I'm talking about! Huh? All gone! You did this! Oh, Paul, you are so not getting away with this one! Girl, ew! Oh, poor Nancy Nance! Oh, wow! Let's get into these buddies. Dip them. Nice! Get this party started now. Aw, yeah! And now, it's time for a legendary snack of the century! Holy moly, Polly Pocket! It's Amaze Balls! Amaze Pop? Wow, I want it too! Now we're talking! Fill that cup with chocolate. Booyah! You know what's next? This pop needs some chalk. Poke, poke. Ugh! Oh! Whoa! How cool! Yes, you're seeing this right. Jealous, Nance? Your pops can't hide for long. Nancy's coming in hot. Jeez. Yo, Polly! You're fresh out of pops. Have a look-see. Huh? Grr. Nancy, you're not getting away with this. I didn't see anything. Grr. Pull, Polly, pull! Oh, come on, girls. Ah! Pulls? Whoa! Licky. Lickety split. Still got those teeth. Ha! Back to that eyeball. Swipe. Yo, Mario. Got my treat? Mushrooms. Nah, not a fan. Nancy. Back to you. It's adorable. Let's dip. Just make sure it's not poisonous. Huh? What a magic! Ah! Nancy, something's different. I can't quite put a foot on it. Yay! And what's in it for our other friend? Ew! Go on, dip! I know. Ugh! There's no going back! And no, the chocolate doesn't make it much better. Whoa! So many sprinkles! Here goes nothing! Purple flavor explosion! Go, Polly, go! I can hardly believe this! Phew! You are a brave one, lady! Go, go, go! Unbelievable work, Polly! Ah! I need water! Or chocolate! Hee! Sweet relief! Finally! How are you, Paul? Phew! Not too hot! Back to Nance! You drank it all! Oh, about that. How dare you! I know! Let's use the schmellows! To make cotton candy! Whoa! Wow! Dig in, my friend! Wow! Don't mind if I do! Nice going, Nancy Pants! Yeah! Oh yeah! Come on now! Nom nom! Yummy yummalish! Enjoy, girls! Yum! Chew chips ahoy! But they're hot, hot, hot! Ready to make candy pizza? Loser! I win! Fill that cup, friend! Onto the pizza pie! Yes! Whip it up! It's exactly what this treat will need! Aha! Fill up the chip! Now enjoy, if you can! Here goes nothing! Fire in the hole! Can't handle the heat, eh? Polly, no! You've got a challenge to win! Holy moly, guacamole! How do we stop her? Phew! Pow! What comes around comes back around. You okay, P? Nance? Yowie! Huh? Hot, hot, hot! Perfect time to add some yummy tummy candies. Oh, wowie! Dig in, homegirl! That's what I'm all about! Gummy slice? 10 out of 10, I must say! So good! Why, oh why? Polly, you're breaking my heart! Thank you so much for watching, guys! New episodes are out all the time! Literally! So be sure to sub and hit that bell! Alright, we'll catch you next time! Peace out!